afternoon. First is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and Queen Quet, Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, will come forward, please, and accept this proclamation. Is anyone with you, ma'am?
Just, well, my mom is, but she said I can go up and she'll sit in the back.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough. I don't want to leave anybody out. Thank you so much. Whereas the Gullah Geechee people are descendants of Africans in America from various ethnic groups of West and Central Africa. And whereas brought to the New World and forced to work on the plantations of coastal South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, and Florida, the Gullah Geechee people have retained many aspects of their African heritage due to the geographic barriers of the coastal landscape and the strong sense of place and family of Gullah Geechee community members. And whereas in 2006, Congress established the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor, which extends from Wilmington, North Carolina, to St. Augustine, Florida, and encompasses more than 12,000 square miles as a nation at heritage area. And whereas people who identify Gullah or Geechee represent the many ways that Africans in America have retained and fused the traditions of Africa with the cultures they encountered both during and after captivity. And whereas a series of activities and events to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee traditions, such as the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, will return to St. Helena Island to commemorate more than 150 years since the reading of the Emancipation Proclamation and since Harriet Tubman joined the Union forces in the Combahee River Raid, which led to celebrations of freedom in Beaufort. Now therefore be it resolved that Beaufort County Council hereby declares July 25th through August 2nd, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And on behalf of Beaufort County, I present you this proclamation, and we would love to hear from you if you'd like to say a few words.
Sure. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Don't worry.
Yes.
The microphone.
Good evening, County Council. Thank you one more again for celebrating with me and things like that. Beaufort County been the first whole county but start to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 4 years ago and things like that. And plenty of people in the county, y'all know that it's your county, and yet we the quite good people like that, it's your tall. But there are those of us who are bilingual here in the county these days. So for those who have never heard Gullah before, when they come to the county, just come to St. Helena and we can help you out. Just leave it and things like that. And so we are very proud to be able to have my home county be the first county that celebrated with us this week for the past 4 years. The city of Charleston started up the celebration 5 years ago with us. And so this is our 5th year celebrating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and I'm proud to say that now from North Carolina down to Florida, every one of our counties, except one holdout here in South Carolina, is celebrated with us. And so it is a blessing to be able to share our story from Beaufort County and all these other counties that I'm going to. And so, because folks try to own me in their other counties, but I pay taxes here. I think county council would be proud to know that. And so, thank you for all of this year, and thank you for declaring this once again. And my mother is with me, and it's because of my mother and father that I am a native Gullah Geechee on both sides of the family. So St. Helena, Palawana, as we would say, or Palawana Island, and Dator, for our more people that are represent and things like that. So glad that we still can celebrate our legacy, our culture, our traditions, because we live there. So thank you. And I hope that all of you will come out to other events for the week. I have some flyers for you. And if you want to keep up, just follow at Gullah Geechee on Twitter or Instagram, and Gullah Geechee Nation as well, GullahGeecheeNation.com. And so if you follow there, you'll keep up with all the events. So not only do we have the festival coming up now, but we'll be back in Beaufort and Hunting Island in October. So I'll leave these with our chairman for everyone. Thank you, and good to see you again in Beaufort, because we last met in Atlanta. Peace and blessings.
Mm-mm.